For comprehensive commercial HVAC maintenance in Glendale, Arizona, rely on Ufirst Heating and Cooling. Our skilled technicians specialize in servicing commercial HVAC systems with precision and expertise. From regular inspections to preventative maintenance and tune-ups, we ensure your HVAC systems operate efficiently year-round. With our transparent communication and reliable service, we strive to minimize downtime and maximize the lifespan of your equipment. Trust Ufirst Heating and Cooling for professional and dependable commercial HVAC maintenance in Glendale, Arizona, where your satisfaction is our priority. Contact us today to schedule maintenance services tailored to your business needs. Contact us today at Ufirst Heating and Cooling to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Ufirst Heating and Cooling, who provides commercial HVAC maintenance services in Glendale, Arizona. Ufirst Heating and Cooling is your trusted provider of commercial HVAC maintenance services in Glendale, Arizona. What does commercial HVAC maintenance entail in Glendale, Arizona? Commercial HVAC maintenance includes regular inspections, cleaning, and tune-ups to ensure optimal performance and energy efficiency in Glendale, Arizona. What is your commercial HVAC maintenance for Glendale, Arizona? Our local commercial HVAC maintenance have served clients in the surrounding areas of Glendale, Chandler, Tempe, Scottsdale, Phoenix, Peoria, New River, Cave Creek, Mesa, Queen Creek, Goodyear, Litchfield Park, Fountain Hills, Gilbert, Buckeye, Wittmann, Sun Lakes, Arizona. Where is your Ufirst Heating and Cooling office located? We are located at 7021 West Augusta Avenue, Glendale, Arizona 85303. Our phone number is 623-343-9915. Visit our website, https://ufirstheatingandcooling.com/.